Okay, ito na. Mag-cue na sa akin si Kuya Camera natin. And then, pero na kanina pa sila, nag-media ko nga lang yung mga leads. And then, ayan, underway na here. Actually, first time ito nakikita in public ng dalawa. Again, aside from the mall shows that this day, the past weekend. So, exciting. Taas ng energy nila, nakakatuwa. Sana most of you have eaten already. We're serving super sarap na food from Comfort Food. Thank you, Comfort Food. Our official catering for tonight. Ang dami excited kasi magkakaroon sa akin. Kasi ako invited. Kasi hindi. Ayun. Hi James! Happy birthday! Birthday ni GP kahapon. Ano sa araw ba?
Yes,
Yes, the day after. The day after. Oh, bakit? Pabayan? Pabayan! Hanap ni Pogi-Pogi naman ng skin. I like the garo. Ang ganda ng choices ng sweet and pag-ali. Good evening mga kapamilya! Welcome to this very special event from Star Cinema and Viva Films. Today, the excitement is finally starting. Ito na po, the exciting part is happening right now here at the Docu Theater dahil nagaganap po ngayon ang Grand MediaCon with the red carpet ng the highly anticipated controversial movie ng taon. This is Happy for You, starring of course the team up of Joshua Garcia and Julia Barreto. Hindi ko na po matatagalin. Para mabilisan tayo, I'd like to call in the creators, the director, and of course the cast of Happy for You na palabas sa August 14. Okay, starting off with our two writers, Miss Kukay Labayan and Crystal Hazel San Miguel. Ang dami kong gustong tanongin, ang dami kong tanong when I saw the trailer. Yun po ang treat natin ngayon sa inyo. Ayan po si Miss Crystal at saka si Miss Kukay Labayan. Sila yung mga nag-create ng kwento. Dito po. Hello, Miss Kukay.
Tingin po dito.
At ito na po tayo sa part where I call in members of the cast, starting off with my anak-anakan ko, I love her. Bianca De Vera, Rise Star Studios. May mindful lang po ng may mga cameras tayo. Ayan, that's the pretty Bianca De Vera. Ayun na po, we are seen officially live via Star Cinema, Facebook, Viva. Ayan, sa gitna tayo ba? Okay, sige, photo off. Kung gamit tayo ganyan, photo off na lang ang photo shot. Okay, look at her, she's so pretty. Okay, as I call in the next, she is from the theater world. And happy that she's part of this beautiful project. Mean Espinosa. Hi, Bob. She's from PETA. Napakahusay daw. So I'm happy that she's trying mainstream. Na rin. Hi! Ganda ng kulay ng damit. Parang nude sa gitna. Ayan dapat. Ayun ka na.
No, thank you.
Okay, can you join your co-actors here, Miss Ame Ann? And this time, hindi siya handa. An influencer and slowly getting to acting na rin, Bong Gonzales! Ay, wow, may pala. Mga Gen Z. Oh! Daming victim niya na. Wala, hindi siya handa. Oh! Okay, sige. Dito naman tayo na sa gitna. That's your marker, oh. Pakitig na. And so, dispatch. Star Cinema and every hour. Seen live worldwide right now.
Long here, one, dito, 1, 2, 3, long here. Dito naman.
Long here.
Long here.
Okay, better join your co-actors there as I call in the next another favorite kasi sa amin siya sa TV nagsimula. I'm happy that he gets the good projects. John Mendoza! Ang pogi. He really has the makings of ano. Even the right projects, pwede siyang compete with the Elijah, with the Kylie Shari, the future drama prince, di ba? At saka ano, hi, look at him. Ayan. Okay, Aljon Max, dito naman sa side na to.
Sir Aljon.
Still fold up.
Ready, 3, 2, 1, here po. 3, 2, 1. Prayer, sir.
1, 2, 3. Here po. 1, 2, 3. Here po.
Dito po, sir Aljon. 3, 2, 1.
This side naman lang.
Perfect.
Okay, join your co-actors there as I call in another person favorite. But ang husay, when you have an actress as good as Sir Walakal, you can never go wrong. She is 2023, 24, very, very promising. She is with the family of ano talaga, royalty siya, kasi anak siya na, siya ang original na anak ni Janice at ni John. Kyla Estrada! Ang husay niyo talaga. Yung I Hearted Me, nagiging fan ako pag ganito. Correct! Beautiful! Parang tumatangkad pa natin. Sa dyan natin na tayo, marker yan. Beautiful look at her!
3, 2, 1. Where Kyla?
Here po.
Dito naman. Another one po, sir Cinema, Miss Kyla. And you're right, you're right.
Yan. Wow, perfect.
Thank you, Kyla. Join your co-actors there. Sobra. He made a mark as tatlong taon pa lang. He got the good project to Star Cinema. And I'm happy that talagang na-utilize ang husay niya as a director. I'd like to call in the box office director. Please welcome Direct Peaches and Vargas! Oh, yes! Send dito the left is.
Direct, Star Cinema po, picture po. Dito po. 3, 2, 1.
Pwede na mag-co-host na lang tayo. Ang bata, no? Gwapo. Okay, dito daw direct sa side naman ng mga ano.
Yan,
Mga
perfect.
Diyos.
Thank you, Direk.
Pwede direct journey actors there as I call it together now. We all fell in love with the team up. Sabay tayo umiyak nung nag-iwalay sila. But today, after 7 years, they are back in the big screen, August 14. Please welcome Joshua Garcia and Julia Vallejo! Habang pinatutugtog ang Paubaya, the controversial Paubaya song. Oh my God! I never go wrong talaga sa kilig ng dalawang ito. I saw the trailer, they were so fierce, they were so natural, ang galing. No doubt ako sa galing ng dalawa. Julia was in her most natural in this movie. And Joshua is in his most intense. Please, dito sa gitna. Joshua is officially back!
3, 2, 1.
Upang-upang.
Here po.
So most sought out and bankable actors nowadays from Star Magic and of course from Viva together in a Star Cinema movie. Viva. Kaya, sorry.
Perfect!
Okay, I'd like to call in everyone, the whole cast and our director and the creatives for a group photo. Please.
Guys, from Star Cinema po muna. 3, 2, dito po guys, here. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Here naman po, Star Cinema. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Diba nakakamiss talaga ang Josh Lia?
1, 2, 3, isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Here naman, Star Magic. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
1, 2, 3. Here left. Here po.
Okay, I think we are ready for the media con. We'd like to request everyone to please take that entrance para po so we can start with the official Q&A. Actors here. Okay. Sige, we can have Joshua and Julia ha.
Sergio, Miss Jules.
Okay, you may now enter the talking theater so we can start. This is one of the trailers I'm truly proud na ipalabas na mapanood nyo tonight. Sisimulan tayo ng saya, kilig, then suddenly, pait. The magic's still there, di ba? Doon pa rin talaga iba ang ano talaga ang dating, ang hatid ng Josh Lia. Okay, pasok na po tayo.
Smile ba is smile na yan. What if I'm getting married?
Ikaw daw yung alak na yan. Saan ang pangalan yan? Masarap yan. Pero hindi mo namamalayan, tatamaan ka na dyan. Traitor yan eh. Sa'yo no? No comment? Aalis ka na naman!
Pancho, tama na, please.
Nag-please pangpo ka.
I never cheated on you.
Bullshit.
We were together for 4 years. Hinayaan ko kung bakuhin niya ako. Yung buhay ko. Just to watch. Ayoko na po ba?
Gladys!
Pancho!
Dito ako! Harapin natin to! Panindigan naman natin to!
Later on, siguro gusto ko malaman kung ang reaction ng tao about the trailer. But today, ayan, this is the official worldwide release po ng trailer ng Grand Media. Again, thank you sa mga dito. We are joined by our friends from the media, bloggers, influencers, and online pages. Ayan, you may occupy this, the front chairs so you can have a better makapture nyo yung and now she's joining the movies. Please welcome Mayan Espinosa. Thank you. Have a seat. Saan po ba? Yan, dyan din. Thank you, Mayan. Chika later ha. At share ko. Gusto mo pala cargo pants. Thank you, Direk. Chika later. Ang dami mong sabi sasagutin, dami what ifs, di ba? Okay. The magic. We saw the full trailer. Together now, please welcome Joshua Garcia and Julia Barreto. May mga chemistry talaga pinatawag, ano? And they're so perfect. Look at them. Marami kang sasagutin, Julia, Joshua. Okay, napasin na. Okay, this time, I think we are ready to answer the questions na po. Helping me, tulungan mo ako, Justin from Corporate Communications. Who will start? Ito lang po ang request. Ayun pala, sorry, I'm missing something. We'd like to hear from the writers, Miss Kukay and Miss Crystal. Greet our friends.
Hello po, good evening. Thank you for coming. Sana mag-enjoy tayo tonight.
Okay, thank you, Miss Crystal. Miss Kukay!
Hello, thanks for coming and for joining us. Even though sa mga nanonood, thank you for tuning in.
Yes, worldwide tayo napapanood na. Bianca!
Hello po everyone! Nice to see you all. Maraming salamat po sa oras niyo. Let's have fun tonight.
May alak pa para joke! Pagalitan ako. Bawal ng pagalitan ako. And of course, ito nakatabi ko na. Kasi people are raving about you. The promo people, mother, she's from Petas, she's really good. Mayan Espinosa.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa lahat. Marhay na banggi. Ay,
Ay, Nicole.
Thank you so much for coming to support and happy for you.
Hey, thank you, syempre, for being part of this beautiful project. Gulat-gulatan na naman. Bong Gonzales!
Yes, hello po. Good evening. Good evening to our distinguished panel of judges.
Wow!
Thank you po.
Tumaarte ka pala, kala ko nag-influence ka lang.
Yes, it's such an honor and a responsibility to be here. Thank you so much.
Perfect ka na dun sa role mo. Tailor-made. Thank you, Bong. Kilig ako sa batang ko. Aljon Mendoza!
Hello po, sa lahat na nandito, thank you sa press, thank you sa lahat ng supporters, sa Team Bahay, maraming salamat. Ayan.
Alright, syempre, Thank you, Aljon. Ito na yung favorite ko talaga. Bukod sa kaibigan ko yung parents niya. Kyla Estrada.
Hello, good evening everybody. Thank you so much for being here. It's so nice to see familiar faces, of course, from the press. So thank you for joining us tonight. And ayun, sana mag-enjoy lang tayo.
Oo naman.
And thank you so much.
I will make sure mag-i-enjoy naman kasi ang gaganda ng mga tanong na namaya later. Di lang tayo sa cargo. Direct Peterson! Ikaw na yata ang bagong pandemic blockbuster director. For the last 3 years, you've been dominating the movie, di ba?
Yeah, thank you po to Star, syempre. But for tonight, good evening po sa ating mga supporters, sa press, who will of course help us to spread the word about our film. Salamat po for the time.
Ito na, as if they never separated, Dun sa portrayal nila, parang sila. Pero hindi, alam naman natin yun. Please welcome Joshua Garcia and Julia Barreto. Please! First time nakita sila together bukod sa mall show.
Ikaw na yun, save the best for last.
Mauna na ako, sabi ko sana save the best for last.
Hindi, ikaw. Okay. Sige,
Ako na muna.
Sabay na lang tayo. Okay. Hello po, good evening everyone.
Hi, guys.
Maraming salamat. Yes, of course, thank you sa ating mga press sa pagpunta, sa pagbigay ng oras ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng supporters namin ni Julia, nila Aljo, nila Kyla, nila Bong, Miss kay si Ate Mayan, maraming salamat kasi simula umpisa nandiyan kayo, hanggang dito at hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pa tayong Cebu, may Jensen. Yan, maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Ayun,
Ay,
same.
of course.
Akala ko ba sabay na lang? Ayun, same lang naman. This is a very special and meaningful night. Hindi namin nakalain na... Hindi namin akalain. Hindi... Sobrang excited ko. Hindi pa naman buo yung word. Hindi po namin inakala na... diba, finally makagawa tayo ng...
Ulit.
I know.
So this is really a very special one. But thank you for joining us. And we'd like to just give a shout out, syempre, kasi sobrang laking parte din po nila Kuya Ketchup at saka nila Tita Noni dito sa pelikula na to. So, if you guys are watching, we're missing you and we wish you guys were here. Okay guys, let's have fun. Be kind. Thanks.
Okay, before I give the microphone to Justin and Corpcom, I'd like to, the first question siyempre, importante ito, for Josh Leah. Mukhang masasakit ang mga eksena. How was the experience working together in a film at meron bang mga eksena na hinugutan niyo ang past experiences niyo while filming? Are you ganun bang actors kayo? Hugot sa past experiences?
Sige ako na. Okay. Hindi may iwasan. Hindi may iwasan ang humugot sa past. But I think bilang aktor, nasa sayo na rin yan kung paano mo siya babawasan man lang, yung nararamdaman mo. Just to protect yourself lang din. Dun sa pain na naramdaman mo. Kung baga kailangan mong humugot.
Grabe yung pain mo sa trailer pala. Parang sobrang painted na painted ka. Okay.
Ayun, parang gano'n.
Julie, ikaw ba are you the type of actress who makes hugot sa experiences? Who makes hugot?
I don't know, I think ayoko naman i-spoil masyado yung naging process namin ni Josh kasi it's such an intimate one and na kami lang talagang magkakaintindihan habang ginagawa namin to. But siguro ginawa naming inspiration was lalo yung happy memories namin. Kasi sa pelikulang to, matatrack din natin yung sa nakita nyo naman, mapapanood nyo yung naging journey ni Zaya at ni Juancho. And you know, I was really looking forward to coming together to make this film and recreate those happy memories that we really built so much in the past.
Katalino mo to. Sarap mong pakinggan. Barreto.
Thank you.
Of course, the question is for yung matatapang nating writer na kung paano nila to nagawa at makonvince na napagwagian ng Viva at Star Cinema mapagsama sila together. Alam ko maraming offers na they want together, pero Star Cinema and Viva ang nakabuo. What made you write this type of story though, Miss Kukay and Miss Crystal?
Of course, we are joined by one of our co-writers also, si Jen, who's not here with us, and si Simon, yung isa sa mga bumuo ng story with us. Siguro, when we were just thinking of the project, talaga nag-iisip lang kami kung ano kaya magandang, kasi it's been a while since we had a love story for Star Cinema. And iniisip lang talaga namin, ano kaya yung generation ngayon, paano kaya sila magmahal? Ano rin kaya yung mga mag-stop sa kanila, ano yung mga binibiglig nila when coming into a relationship, ano yung mga factors na iniisip nila kung dapat ba magtatagal or hindi ang isang relasyon. Siguro isa rin yan sa mga naging inspiration namin while writing the story. And to be honest, it's been parang before the pandemic pa, gusto na talaga namin gumawa ng Joshua and Julia film. Pero hindi natutuloy.
True.
Pero we were so grateful that they both agreed to do this project. And we're here now. Na-inspired din kami actually sa Paubaya, the music video. When we watched it, parang it was just so real for the two of them. And yun, gusto lang namin ikwento kung paano na ba din magmahal yung generation ngayon, di ba? Kung parang paano na sila, do they really hold on? Kasi diba yung previous generation parang matiisin masyado in the relationship. So I don't know if tatry namin na makwento kung paano yung si Zai at si Juancho magmahal.
I'm sorry, the characters are Zai?
Zai and Juancho.
Juancho.
Tal, you wanna add to?
Ayan, Miss Crystal.
Hello po. Siguro when we were also, nung binubuo namin din yung story, we were looking for a very relatable one. Diba? Na nakita naman natin yung kwento na two broken people, diba? Na magkikita ulit. Tapos may, syempre diba, sa relationship naman kapag natatapos siya, may galit, may sakit, diba? At ang tanong talaga, may pagmamahal pa ba? Diba? So yun, so ang daming what ifs. Pero ang dulong tanong, what now? Diba? After all that what ifs. Anong gagawin? So, yun.
Ayun. Thank you, Miss Crystal. Of course, tatanungin na rin natin ang ating director mula sa papabalik tamis sa teaser. Ngayon naman ay ramdam ang init, lasak ang pait at tumatagos ang sakit sa trailer. Ano pang experience sa may expect ng mga tao sa pagbabalik ng Josh Leah? That's for Direct Peterson. Kasi ganda ng trailer. Inano na. andun lahat ng elements ng iba ng emosyon.
Right. Siguro, itutuloy ko lang yung nasimula nila Kukay na sinasabi niya na tinatrack namin ngayon kung paano magmahal yung generation ngayon. Pero I think, gusto rin natin ipakita kung paano sila masaktan. And I think, we Filipinos like to see, di ba, to mirror that in a cinematic experience. So, parang, yun, bumulang talaga kami ng pelikula na ang real nung sakit. I think parang it feels so fresh and current. And for Josh Lia, I think, because when you watch their films, kahit masaya sila panoorin, pero alam mong if you go to that like real, painful, dramatic route, mapupush pa natin sila. So I was really excited to push that dramatic journey with them.
First time mong mag-direct ng bida ay former mga exes?
Oo.
Kasi if you name it, iba yung route dito na tinahak eh.
Yeah, and I think parang, yun nga, parang tama yung sinabi ni Ju kanina na sometimes I give them space because they seem to have this very intimate, personal process about making the scene. So, they were so generous for sharing themselves.
Of course, they're great actors, no? Direct? Sarap, no? Okay. Justin, babasahin ko yata itong question from Reggie Bono. And Reg, would you want this read o ikaw o ako? Ako na lang. The question's for Reggie Bono, and this is for Joshua and Julia. Nakakatuwa na balik na ang Josh Lia. Please take us back kung paano ito in-offer sa inyo at nag-guest ka ba agad and why? At ano ang namimiss nyo sa isa't isa? How was this offered? Pre-pandemic pa ba ito? May tawanan ng creatives, mukhang may inside story tayo
During the pandemic, parang we were receiving na calls and then setting meetings about it. Tapos, originally, iba yung kwento niya, and then years later, pa-evolve na yung material. And I think it really boils down to the right time and the right script. So, it's a feeling naman when you know na it's time and when the script is right for the two of us. So, I was on board, of course, right away.
No, talaga? Good to hear that. Ito si Joshua kasi, nung in-offer sa'yo ito, ang dami mong ginagawa. Left and right yung teleseries.
Yeah, actually, after Pabayan, nagka-offer na kami. Tapos there's
a controversial Pabayan music video.
With Black Sheep pa to, nung una. Kaya lang hindi natuloy kasi parang hindi pa yung tamang panahon para gawin yun. Then after 5 years, doon na nangyari. Pag-pitch sa amin, parang ang dami ng ideas bigla, bakit hindi ganito, ganyan. So parang ang saya din yung moment na yan. That's why, nung unang pitch nila sa akin, sabi ko, game ako, gawin natin to, masaya to. Diba?
Na-miss niyo isa't isa? Wala akong pinupush ha. Sinatanong ko lang kung na-miss niya.
Of course. Yeah. Namiss ko yung may ka-eksena na
napakahusay.
Naiintindihan yung nararamdaman ko. Alam mo yun.
Oh my God!
Iba rin yung gano'n nila. Yeah. And lumalabas siya sa scene talaga.
Yes, oo.
Yeah. And namiss ko yung mga tawanan namin. Diba? Hindi lang kami, I mean, lahat tayo, di ba, sa set?
Oo, masaya kami lahat sa set. Sobra. Yung mga kasama natin sa akin. Oh, yeah.
It's the music. Huh?
Galing naman kasi ng ating scorer today, spinner, pa-music. Hindi ko mabasa, sorry. You have to come here. Okay, so before I give the microphone for the set of questions, tanungin ko na yung ating napakahusay na cast. How did you become part of this project? Let's start with Bianca. May ano ba to? May pa-audition ba sa Derek Peterson? May ganyan ba? Or what? And baka lang hindi namin napanood kayo sa trailer, please make us kwento about your role, B.
Well, yung role ko here is very short, but I can say na it was very memorable shooting with them, and it was such an honor, shooting with all of them. Kahit ilang araw lang yun, I flew in sa Bicol. And
you're part of the Bicol group.
Opo. And then, parang they really made me feel like I was at home lang. Parang hindi na kailangan ng warm up. And then, I was it's such a dream come true also working with Josh Lia. Kasi actually, hindi nga, nung high school kasi ako, hindi ako nakakoncentrate sa math exam ko nun. Kasi iniiyakan ko yung Paubayan music video nila. Tapos ngayon, parang nakakover ko sila sa such a dream come true. So, ayun.
Ito, lagi bumabalik sa Paubaya, ano?
Yeah.
Like, I was talking to Alan Diones and Ana Pingol kanina. May sinabi silang word, pero huwag na sa akin manggaling. Pero, talagang this made a statement kasi sa Josh Lia ng time na, di ba? Wala na kayo noon, pero nag-together kayo just for the music video. Hanggang doon lang ang gusto ko sabihin. Charot. John! Ikaw medyo busy-busy ka lately, ha? Hi na, kamusta? Paano ka naging part ng project?
So, medyo ilang months din po na nagpahinga ako from acting.
Talaga,
So,
pero lagi
yes
ka
po.
nakikita.
Talaga po.
Everywhere. Hindi, minsan.
Baka sa IG nakikita, sir. Sa IG.
Oo nga.
Baka stalk niyo.
Mga shirtless men.
Lalo pala, joke.
I cannot see it.
Huwag mo simulan Joshua, ha? Huwag mo simulan Joshua. Hindi kasi
Joke.
sa Dreamscape siya nagsimula.
Yes po, sa Sabdugo, pre-pandemic. Pero, first movie ko po ito. So, I'm very grateful na...
First lang ba? O na naman, gulat-gulatan na naman ako sa mga talaga. First ba?
Yes po, very grateful talaga. Hindi ako nag-expect na papasali ako sa movie, tapos...
Pero si Direk yata may regrets. Chare!
No regrets at
Just kidding.
Pero nung sinabi po nila sa akin, sobrang excited lang po talaga ako. As in, no expectations at all. Sabi ko, gagawin ko lang talaga to kasi excited ako mag-acting ulit.
Of course. And of course, gulat-gulatan. Ay, Bong!
Yes.
Mukhang special ang role mo.
We'll see.
Wow! Heavy!
Hindi, nakuha ko po tong role na to. Ay, ang role ko po pala si Lay. My name is Lay. And ako po...
Character mo yan.
Yes, ako po ang nag-iisang kapatid. Julia Barreto.
Seryoso?
O diba, nagulat din. Kasi nung sinabi niya
Grabe ka naman. Ang ganda-ganda.
Gulat-gulatan lang ako.
Ako din nagulat nung sinabihan ako ni Direct Page at ni Sir Vico about this role. Sinabihan nila ako na kailangan ng Keki Sir sa movie na to. Tapos kapatid pa ni Julia, so nagpaganda talaga ako. Yun talaga yung pressure ko.
Actually, achieve naman tonight.
Akala ko papantay sa ganda ni Ate Julia.
Barreto yan.
Yes, Barreto. Kaya tawag nila sa akin, Bong Barreto.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Jajamani, di ba?
Kaya abangan na lang po natin ang magiging eksena ng Keki Sir.
I'm happy for you. You get sa part ka ng magagandang projects, Bong.
Julia.
Kasi dati patikpok ka lang. Okay, thank you. Ayun. Kyla, do you ever rest? Ayun ka pa. Kasi left and right ang shows mo, tapos may movie, tapos may isa ka pa.
Pero ako, grateful lang din ako na kasama ako sa movie na to. When they told me about it, I was also very excited to be part of it. Kahit di ko pa alam kung anong yung role. Sabi ko, yes, game na ako. And of course, I've been wanting to work with Derek Peterson as well.
First time?
Yeah, first time. And of course, si Josh nakatrabaho ko na napakahusay. Sa Viral Scandal po. Teleserye. Yes. And si Julia, it was so nice to work with her. Parang immediately nag-click kami. So, ang ganda lang ng experience. Especially lahat
Pero kasi maganda at matalino.
Kami magkakasama lahat sa Vivo. Lahat kami. Sobrang naging organic yung connection namin. Kaya parang ang sarap mag-work.
I'm sure happy rin naman yung dalawa katrabaho.
Yung set and of course yung bonding namin lahat. Ang role ko po dito, pangalan ko dito si Aya. Ako yung business partner at best friend ni Juancho, yung character ni Joshua.
Alright. Hindi ko na kasi sila naman nakitang-kita na yung role ni Joshua at ni Julia. This point, bibigay ko na talaga ang microphone sa unang magtatanong. Sino to, Justin?
Ayan, magandang gabi po mga kapamilya. Ako si Justin Ayers sa ABS-CBN PR. Ayan, ang una pong magtatanong, by the way, we receive us 19 sets of questions. So kung di po aabot dahil sa time limit natin this evening, paumanin po. Pero hopefully makapture ng discussion yung soundbites na hinahanap nyo. For our first set of questions, kasama po natin si Tito Danny Vivas.
Of course.
Daily Tribute.
Tito Dan, request ang tayo na you don't have to come.
Prepared to make more movies, even if it might
it might affect your personal relationships and your personal lives?
The question is for, ano dito Danny?
Sorry, I forgot. For Josh and for Julia.
Baka for him
can answer.
Alam mo, ito talaga agawan tayo sumagot. Hindi nakasagot ng role niya si Miss May. Yes. Kasi si Bong naman ang eksena eh.
Yes.
I heard, ang galing-galing mo raw, you're from PETA, and then, what's your role here?
The name of my role in this film is Ate Lala. Parang ako yung nag-iisang rose amongst the thorns sa Casa Rosa, which is the restaurant owned by Juancho. Tapos, I'm very grateful to Peter Sen kasi karamihan ng mga pelikula niya, sinasali niya.
Wow, ang lakas.
Favorite.
So hindi mo to first, nagawa, na-first ka nang nauna. First nga nauna, natural.
So, I was too cool to be forgotten. Nakakasama ko na si. Thank you, P.
Thank you, Miss Man. Okay, we are now ready sa nag-aagawang sumagot. Sino question from Tito Danny Vivas?
Sorry, Tito Dan. Para kanina po ulit yung question?
Yeah, for sure this will be a hit movie, and one hit movie cannot just be one hit movie. For sure there will be next offers to do more movies, more team-up movies between the two of you. But are you prepared to do more movies even if it might affect your personal relationships or personal lives?
Interesting question. Are you open to answering the question? Definitely, Julia.
Yeah, you know what, Tito? I feel like there's no might because I believe both Josh and I are both in a very secure place in our lives na kahit gumawa pa kami ng 10 pelikula, hindi naman yun yung intention naman nun ay hindi para makasira ng isang magandang bagay. So, yun lang. Siguro we're in a very secure position in our lives, and it's not, I guess, fair to put it that way to the people that will be, affected with the way that you ask the question. But we'll be fine. I think we're okay. Tira mo, ang saya namin natapos yung Unhappy for You. Lahat ng nasa paligid namin masaya para sa amin. Minamahal pa rin kami. So I think it says a lot about where we both are in our lives.
Nice. In other words, it's a yes. Joshua.
Yes po. Yun na lang din po yung sagot ko. Kasi actually, kami po na Jude, parang iba na yung approach namin sa work this time. Mas professional. We know our boundaries na rin, alam mo yan. So, wala naman siguro ganun mangyayari, di ba? And, nagsushoot pa lang ho kami nito. Nag-uusap na kami na sana makagawa tayo, pero sana comedy naman. Kasi, bigang-biga kami dito. Masaya na ba kayo?
Happy!
Kaya pala indinaya siya sa pain. Yung balat doon talaga sa direct pictures and yung pain.
Meron ako may peg na...
Sana comedy dito.
Comedy. Yun na lang yung dinidream namin habang nag-excite na kami ng mabibigat. One day, mas comedy tayo, yung comedy lang.
Okay. Tito Dan, you're good?
It's nice for you to do a comedy next. After Unhappy for You, it should be very happy for you.
Thank you, Paul.
A very happy for you.
May pa, Justin. Yung next question natin, babasahin mo from G. Trilliano.
Actually, ang ganda. I was gonna tell you nga, Justin, gusto kong tanongin to from G. Trilliano, ng editor ng Malaya. Malaya. Okay, there's a video. This is for Julia muna. There's a video of you asking audiences if they would watch your movie with their exes. Kailan ka dumating sa point na you became comfortable enough to meet your ex to meet your ex again, and ano yung nag-precipitate nung feeling na yon, okay na ako to Joshua. Yeah.
So in other words, in a simpler form, ano yung tanong?
Ay, naguluhan nga rin ako, pero sabi ko ang ganda ng tanong, pero ako naguluhan.
Hindi mo nila tanong.
Tita G,
Ano pa akong kanina pa tinatanong sa'yo?
Kayo yung mapahawak ng script.
Yung sa mall show daw kasi, first of all guys, tinanong na ibang cast. Inulit ko lang yung tanong, baka hindi klaro. At saka nag-joke lang ako. Kumbaga, hindi ko namang ini-encourage na panoorin niyo with your ex. Kasi choice niyo naman yun, di ba?
Kasi uso ngayon ng mga exes na nag-reunite.
Uso ba yun?
Officially for you yung sa show yun.
Yes.
Especially for you.
I mean, choice naman niyo yun. I mean, kung parang, di ba, kung straight na yun.
For entertainment.
Oh, for entertainment lang
Parang
naman.
masaya lang, diba?
Correct. Joke time lang yun. Pero hindi namin sinasabing kailangan panoorin niyo itong sama mga ex. Okay, mag-isa kayo. Okay lang. Basta panoorin niyo. Buy it together someday.
Josh, may dadagdag ba? Okay. Kasi next ikaw na. The question, what steps did you take to prepare for the role and was asking your current partner's permission included in the steps? Did you ask permission from?
No, hindi ko ask sa partner ko. Kasi bago pa rin kayo magkakilala, alam niyo yung actor na yung, pagiging actor na yung trabaho.
Oh, sana all, no?
I'm just very supportive about dun sa movie. Kung ano naging process ko sa movie, enjoy ko lang yung process. Enjoy ko lang siya, and enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho ulit si Julia. And enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho si Derek Peterson and lahat ng cast natin dito. Yun lang yung nangyari na. And kung may mali man kasi kami magawa, kino-correct na kami ng writers na nila direct.
May writers in the set ka, kayo?
Yes,
Tumadala.
very handsome sila sa pelikula.
At least handsome, di pabaya. Charot, hindi pabaya ako. Tawa ng tawa dito, Miss Kaya. Okay. Ikaw to o ako to, Justin? The
next question will come from JP Anarcon of Freebie MNL.
Yay! Birthday ni JP 2 days ago. Hi Jim, stand up. Happy birthday. Kung ito si Julia, favorite mo.
Yeah,
correct.
Okay. First question, ano naman to ha, not naman on the negative side, no? But hindi ba kayo nag-worry? Kasi most of the time, pwedeng dalawa yung effect, di ba? Pag nagre-reunion yung mag-ex, either, syempre you become friends talaga, which we all hope for. And some, medyo mag-open ng can of worms, parang ganun. Tapos di na magka-work after.
Can of what?
Can of worms, mga, siguro mga close keme, ganyan. Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na baka mayroong ganong sitwasyon?
May mga mauungkat na may mau-open na issues. Issues. Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na may mabubuksang issues?
Or naka-ready na kayo or naka-gear na kayo na okay, this will be a fun set. Happy reunion.
Ini-idiomatic expression naman kasi tayo. Ini-idioms tayo ni JP.
Feeling ko ready na kami kasi una-una hindi rin namin tatanggapin kung hindi kami ready. So diba, parang bakit namin gugustuhin na masaktan kami dito sa pelikula? Parang sobrang sadista naman natin sa sarili natin. Parang I think ready na kami bago pa namin gawin. It's been 5 years na din, diba? Tagal na. Marami na nagbago and yung iba na, right?
In a good way.
In a good way. Yeah.
Ikaw, Julia.
Ano po yun?
Addition to that.
Saan po?
Doon sa mau-open na mga
kung hindi ka ba nag-worry.
Can of worms.
Hindi naman, I don't think it was worry. Honestly, I was just really excited to reunite with Josh, work with him, and work with Derek Peterson, our cast, our writers that, I worked with Kukay several times also. So it was more excitement. I think ang ganda ng mindset namin lahat coming into this project na we all had one goal, and I think that made us bond even closer because of that one goal.
And then Julia, coming from that viral video, no?
What?
Hindi, ito naman, parang...
Ready lahat, sila yun
Hindi, ang ganda kasi na narating nyo na yung ganong sitwasyon na pwede na siyang pagtawanan, gawing joke. So parang through the years na, yun nga, nagkaroon ng something, tapos pwede kayo magka-work ulit ngayon. Paano nyo na-achieve or na-prepare yung sarili nyo to be in that situation na pwede nyo na siyang pagtawanan and you can work together harmoniously?
Yeah.
Sorry. I feel like parang may understanding na kami na even if we don't talk about it, parang okay na sa amin eh. Kasi tagal na eh, parang happy na kami sa posisyon namin sa buhay ngayon. And then parang ang gusto na lang namin mangyari ngayon is parang ma-retain yung friendship namin, di ba? Diba? Kasi sayang eh, kasi di ba, parang iba na rin yung understanding natin sa isa't isa.
Yes, agree. Tama yung sinabi ni Josh.
Okay. Thank you so much and congratulations.
Thanks, James. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday!
Okay. Gusto mong, tanongin ko to na, here's a question kasi ang maganda to eh, pero parang feeling ko nasagot na, so hindi ko na itatanong. Charot. For Joshua, Josh, sa palagay mo ba hindi makaka-affect sa relasyon mo, sa real girlfriend mo, real life girlfriend mo, ang pakikipagtambal mo kahit di pa parang nasagot niyo na hindi, don't have to tell. And for Julia, how was your working dynamic with each other evolved? How has your working dynamic with each other evolved since your last collab?
Our last is Paubaya.
Paubaya. Wala, you know what? It feels so the same and different at the same time. But different is good because it means like over the years, parang nag-evolve na kami.
Question pala came from Wilson Riquiza ng Kapamilya On Demand. Okay, may gusto kang tanongin or we can entertain questions from here from Alan Diones, I understand. May mga gusto. Mara, may gusto kang tanongin? Bago ko basahin itong 29 questions.
Ayan, Sir EJ, siguro umpisahan muna natin. Dito naka-standby si Judy Arias of Metro Dots.
Wala. Tsaka in pain eh. Iiyak pa kami iiyak dito.
It's all about feeling ko isa dito yung healing. Healing. Yung pag-accept. Tama.
Ang dami, you know why? May sariling personal journey si Juancho, may sariling personal journey si Zai. And even all of our characters here in the movie, we all have our personal journeys na nakikita talaga namin yung isa't isa. Parang kaming reflection lahat ng isa't isa. We all have our different pains and our different joys. So, but tama si Josh, it's healing, it's letting go, it's accepting, it's setting free. It's really gonna be an emotional roller coaster ride in this film. And yeah, excited kami na guluhin ang buhay niyo for 2 hours.
Ano?
Actually, no. Hindi naman. But it was actually an idea that I worked with our writers. Kasi part of the journey that actually hindi pa natin masyadong binabanggit, but you actually guys saw it in the trailer, is medyo mapang-ahas at may nakakatakam na element. Yun yung reunion ng exes sa story. And we felt like Naga as a city that's filled with a lot of spiciness. We wanted to like also embrace that flavor. Meron din siyang flavor na gano'n. At saka yung na-add anything.
Go ahead. That explains the whole synopsis yata, di ba? Nadala ka na, sige pa rin.
Yes. Nasaktan ka na, gusto mo pa rin.
Ang gandang tawag doon. Anyway, okay, you're good, Miss RC.
Thank you po.
Thank you, dear. Gusto kong tanongin yung yung buong cast about, kasi usong-usong nga ngayon, di ba, naging controversial nga yung mga nagkakabalikan, depende sa, hindi ko alam if you have been into open relationships. Like si Bianca, napakabata, parang 11 lang years old lang natin si Char. Anong stand mo on reunited with an ex?
Ikaw muna, Bianca.
Gusto mo muna si may muna.
Parang marami kang gustong sabihin.
Bianca, face it.
My stand on reuniting with an ex? I guess, iba-iba naman tayo ng...
Meron ka na rin naman nag-conversation?
Yes, opo.
At 11? Charot.
10.
Sumasagot sa akin,
Iba-iba naman tayo ng personal experiences and pain. Pero ako, personally as Bianca, kapag wala na, I'm really not one na balikan pa. Kasi kung tapos na, yun na siya. But you know, if maybe when the time is right for him and maybe for me, or generally, siguro yes.
Depende talaga.
Yeah, depende talaga. Pero for me personally, no, okay na ako eh. It took me so much to heal and everything. Hindi ko babalikan.
Nagkonti din yung magkatihan ka talaga.
General lang yun.
General, pero okay. Si Aljon ba, meron ka na naging open relationship? Naging kayo ba talaga noon, Charot?
Para sa akin naman po, syempre depende pa din kung paano kayo nag-end. Kung may respect naman nung nag-end, why not? Pero, hindi naman ibig sabihin na nag-reunite kayo, kailangan maging kayo ulit na mag-jowa, di ba? Pwede din maging friends or good work.
So pwede?
Pwede.
It doesn't have to be romance, no?
Yes. Saka, kapag time kasi talagang mag-heal ka din eh. So, dadating yung time na hindi ka na naapektuhan. So,
parang yung Josh Lee, ano, napapayag sila magtrabaho, naging friends.
Yeah, super professional.
Saka never nilang sinaktan ang fans nila. Nung naghiwalay sila, parang, hiwalay lang, pero wala silang sinaktan. Di ba? Direct Pictures nga, nag-share ka ba ng reuniting with...
Masaya naman yun. Masaya kasi magulo yung buhay mo from time to time.
Huwag naman perfect, di ba?
Masaya yun. Tsaka inspiration.
Ang saya-saya mo sa buhay mo ngayon, direct piano.
Isang oras lang tulog niyan.
Yan lagay na yan, ha? Okay, si Miss Meran, meron na rin namang serious relationships. At 13. Charot lang po.
Wow, okay.
Naiiyak?
Hindi. Bakit lang. Tawag dito, kung meron pa siguro pag-ibig at may pagkatuto, sige, okay lang. Pero kung if you're just getting back with an ex for nostalgia's sake, bakit pa? Diba? So,
kung busitin ang sarili mo.
Oo. Pero depende sa inyo, di ba?
Depende talaga sa sitwasyon na yan, tsaka yung naiwang pain or memories.
At sana nga may pagkatutong naganap, di ba? Kasi kung wala, bakit pa?
Nice.
Sino natin?
Ayan. At ito na,
Yes po.
aamin ka ba ngayon?
May stand po on ano.
Wow!
Here's my stand. Tsaka lang, hindi ako personally. Personally, I won't. Pero it depends on the situation, ano nangyari with your past. And I believe masasagot ang movie na yan if you should,
promo.
August 14, it's Cinema Station 1.
Nagka-girlfriend ka na?
Girlfriend?
Actually, baka sabihin mo na gender kita. Tagulan. Yung acting mo ngayon eh.
Ibalik mo yung tanong kay Sir EJ.
Kayo po, nagka-girlfriend.
Thank you na, thank you.
Ay, sumusunod ako sa ate ko.
Bentang-benta, Joshua, Julia. Magko-co-host na kami ni ano, ito.
Sila mo ng comedy, natin namin.
Kaya sabi niyo, let's all have fun. Kaya nga ako andito para sumaya.
Just watch the movie.
Kami na million ako dito. Ito na, parang... Wala akong alam sa personal life ni Kyla. Alam ko lang yung trabaho.
Okay lang yun, Sir EJ. Hindi na po natin kailangan mag-ano.
Malaman pa nila.
Syempre, ang daming factors eh. It really depends on, like what everybody said, the circumstances, how you broke up, diba? Pero personally for me, I think it's a boundary that I set for myself na even friendship I wouldn't consider anymore. Civil, of course, pero friendship, parang hindi na.
In all your exes,
yes.
Kahit na maganda yung yung gitna,
personally, it's just a personal boundary that I set for myself na parang civil, of course, diba? But then hindi na yung parang tara kain tayo, yung ganun kind of friendship. Hindi na ganun. But I guess it also matters the headspace that you're in. If you're secure.
Sa'yo okay lang din. Hindi, pero okay lang. Okay lang.
Yeah, oo naman.
I mean, yeah. Totoo yung sabi niya dyan. Depende kung paano kayo nag-end.
Totoo, di ba? It could be an ex na happy ending or ex na hindi traumatic. So depende kung sino yung sinatulog. Thank you, Joshua, Julia. Justin!
Ayan, Sir EJ, bago ko tawagin si Team Bailon of Pet.ph to ask her questions, babasahin niyo po muna ang question from Josiah Antonio of EBS.
Andiyan si Josiah?
Babasahin niyo lang po yung question niya.
Bakit? Joke. Go ahead. Babasahin mo?
Nandiyan po sa inyo yung question.
Saan dito? Letter L. Layo na.
Di
Hindi mo alam.
Pasabor?
Kaya di ba?
Ah, si Ketcha! Ano ka si Ketcha?
Spoiler mo!
Okay! Okay.
Babi ko nga pala.
Oo, kasi sa eksena pala, yung eksena sa beach, di ba sa bar, na parang ingatan mo yan. Tapos iba yung ngiti ni Kyla. Naku, inassume ko naman talagang si Kyla yung third party.
Hindi namin sinabi ng third party siya.
Ewan ko sa inyo.
Opo. Bakit po? Love triangle na mas kapatid.
Eto, this would make Julia, mukhang you wanna say something?
I'm good, I'm good.
Ito matutuwa mga Justia fans. Buhay na naman daw ang Justia fans. Ayun. So, anong tanong? Anong feeling na kahit may kanya na kayong partners in real life, napakarami at buhay na buhay pa rin ang Josh Dia fans? Actually, nung in-announce nila yung new project alert, talaga nabuhay agad sila.
Kaya nakaka-proud sila.
Nakaka-proud sila.
Yung maturity din nila.
Grabe din ang pinagdaanan nila.
Yeah.
So,
Kasi
nagpapasalamat.
kasabay namin sila nag-process.
Oo, sabay
namin
kami
sila
yan.
umiyak. So, proud ako sa Joshua. Nandiyan pa rin.
So, individually naman, sinusupport nila kayo,
Yes,
diba? You had a
oo.
movie rin before Julia, diba? Tapos Joshua, ikaw din naman, you had series on series, diba? The question was from Erwin Santiago, ng editor ng Bandera. And another question for Julia. Paano mo i-describe yung dating Joshua Garcia noon sa ngayon? Marami ka bang new discoveries after 5 years, Beth?
Yeah, sobrang proud ako kay Josh. Grabe yung... Alam mo yung una pa lang na... Ano ba yung pinakauna natin? Yung look test? Script reading ba yun? Hindi, look test yun. Nakaka-proud. Sobrang sabi ko, wow, he's really learned to... you've really become confident in yourself. Nakita ko na...
Shy pa din, ano? Confident pero
Hindi,
siya. Hindi
confident yan. I mean, confident in a sense na mas kilala niya na sarili niya ngayon, mas secure na siya sa pagkatao niya ngayon. He knows what he wants, he knows what he doesn't want. Parang mas kilala niya na sarili niya, mas love niya na yung sarili niya. So, it's so nice to see how he has evolved into the man that he is today. So, proud ako sa'yo.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Confident na. Ayun, sumasagot.
Confident yan. Sabi ko nga, grabe, na pinapanood ko to si Aldrin. Sabi ko, parang si Josh to daw.
Actually, they can pass for brothers. Di ba?
Yeah, oo, always.
Sabi ko lang, medyo mas fit lang siya sa akin.
Mas, alam mo, mas may masal-masal lang siya ngayon.
Dati ako eh.
Cute yan. Cute lover boy, lover boy.
Pero grabe yung journey ni Joshua. Now he's the most sought after leading man, ano, from a PBB. After, hindi ba? You get to be paired with,
Ano yan, very thankful and grateful lang ako. Parang ang gandang regalo sa akin na ika-10th year ko this year. Parang ang gandang regalo sa akin. So, thank you. Thank you, Bessie.
10th anniversary celebration po ni Joshua itong Unhappy For You. Okay, more questions from your end, Justin.
Ayan, kasama rin natin si Team Bailon of Pep.ph.
Ayan.
Yung shoot, kasi parang last time, yung paubaya ko yung last na, ano nyo, kasama niyo.
May ganun ba kayong exercise na?
Wala. Kulit nga namin.
Nagkaroon kami, pero during shoot na. No?
Yeah, hindi siya parang heart-to-heart before na.
Hindi siya yung malalang heart-to-heart na nag-iiyakan kami. Hindi naman ganun na, buti na lang, okay ka kayo. Hindi naman ganun. It's more of parang nag-catch up lang na, di ba? Yun.
Masayang pag-uusap lang. Wala naman yun.
Yung hobbies mo ngayon, di ba? Kung ginagawa mo, ganyan.
Ano pinapakinggan mo ngayon?
Mga music, di ba?
So okay, sa set lang yan, ano? Hindi naman yung parang outside the set, nagkukumustahan pa kayo. Ibang usapan naman yun na parang, di ba?
Naku, ganun talaga sa Egypt.
After kasi yung shoot namin, meron kami parang 20 to 30 minutes na tatabay kaming cast. Tapos doon kami parang nagre-release ng tension ng buong araw na yun sa mga excel.
Supervised by direct yan, hindi naman.
Nung kami lang ito.
Cast lang.
Ng cast.
So, yeah, yun yung ginagawa namin. So doon kami nakakapag-usap-usap din. Na yun yung labas na ng trabaho.
Confident ka na nga, daldal ka na.
Ito yun. Share lang ako ng experience.
Ikaw naman tatanong, ibabalik ko yung tanong. New discoveries about Ju. Bukod sa matalino pa, sobrang mas matalino siya ngayon, mas smart, mas at napaka-sexy.
Grabe naman.
Sobra.
Julie. Gusto ko kung paano siya ngayon sa the way kung paano niya himayin yung script. As in, parang ako yung nahihiya sa set pagka parang shit, grabe naman himayin ni Julie yung script niya. Makita mo talaga yung mga notes niya dun sa script niya.
Talaga?
Ako yung nahihiya. Sabi ko siya, gawin ko nga rin yun. Punta ko ng room ko, naggawa-gawa ako niya rin ng ganyan. Wala rin mo nangyari.
Yung highlighter ko,
kidding aside, proud ako sa kanya kung paano niya itrato yung trabaho ngayon. Well, before, sobrang respeto rin naman niya. Pero iba na yung atake namin ngayon sa work eh. Mas detalyado na kami. Even yung mga lines, hindi siya basta binabato eh. Iba na, no? And I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Direk Peterson, masarap ka trabaho.
Oo naman. Oo naman. Kasi
katabi mo. Char!
No, but it was really a fun set. I think they were all very generous to each other. And I think nililid nyo kasi yun, Josh, Julia. I think yung generosity comes from how everyone sees them together. Ewan ko, parang there's just really this beautiful energy, this aura when they're together.
Teaser pa lang naramdaman ko na siya.
Yes.
The magic's still there.
And there's magic, yes. I also believe.
Okay. Pep ulit. More questions?
Last na po sa akin. So yung unhappy for you, parang mabigat siya. Babalik na rin natin. Happy for you. Kung may sasabihin ka, Julia and Jocko sa isa't isa, I'm happy.
Sino si Jocko?
Josh and Julia. So I'm happy for you. Parang tugtungan nyo lang.
I'm happy for you.
And Julia, I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for you. Directed by...
Bongga! Ang saya-saya.
Wait lang, mag-isip mo na ako.
Itutuloy ba yung I'm happy for you?
Ako, I'm happy for you for all that you have achieved.
Oh. I'm happy for you sa lahat na na-achieve mo rin. Diba? Ang ganda. Ako kasi ang happy ko kasi ang ganda ng mga pelikula na ginagawa. Like, diba? Yeah, ang ganda ng ginagawa mo. Yung track ng pelikula na ginagawa mo. So I'm happy for you na ang ganda ng mga decisions mo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm sorry, but you have something to say, Jewel. We're down to our last two questions, and the last two will come from babasahin ni Justin. But out of respect sa mga nagpadala ng mga questions, i-acknowledge ko lang sila na hindi na natin ma-entertain kasi halos nasasagot na rin naman along the way. Like for example, itong question from M. Rian Calubira ng Cinehub. Si Josiah was able to nakapagtanong naman. Nakapagtanong din si John Milo Severo na hindi natin ma-entertain kasi we're limited tayo sa ating live streaming. Si Jimpy was able, at si Chat Rosette ng Manila Feed, medyo nasagot naman, pero ito yung gusto ko talagang, bago ko ibigay yung microphone kay Justin, kay Joshua and Julia. If you have a message to each other, thank you and sorry nyo sa isa't isa. Ang ganda, di ba? Thank you, Chad. Matalino yan si Chad eh. Nag-iisip. Chad. Thank you and sorry nyo sa isa't isa.
Oo nga. Nagawa na namin ito dati.
Thank you and sorry.
Oh, very nice.
Actually,
Sabi ko talaga, ikaw, Julie.
Pinasa sa akin. Ako, thank
Ako
Tayo
na
sa
lang.
present. Oh, go.
Thank you, Julia, for being open.
Okay.
Sa buong journey natin sa pelikula. Sobrang thank you. So, thank you kasi alam ko hindi ako mag-isa dun sa pelikula. Kasi pag may mga araw na down ako, ina-assure mo ako, may nandun dyan ka para alalayan ako. Thank you. Generous ka sa acting na binibigay mo. Hindi ka madamot. And wala akong dapat ika-sorry. Yan lang.
Kasi, joke lang. That's a joke, guys. Relax. There's no show for today. Ako, genuinely, Josh, thank you. Because, naramdaman ko sa buong time na sinushoot natin ng pelikula na to, inalalayan mo talaga ako. Kilala mo ako, alam mo kapag medyo kinakabahan ako sa eksena, pag medyo parang yung energy ko nagbabago. Thank you because ganun din. You're always asking kung okay ako, and you're always finding ways to make sure na everything and everyone on the set, okay kaming lahat. Hindi lang ako, everyone iniisip mo sa set. And thank you because ikaw din naging open ka to this idea of working together again. We're crazy for doing this, but thank you for being open and being so generous and honest in all of our scenes. And yung sorry, mapapanood din naman sa movie kung ba't siya nag-sorry. Oo, okay na yun kasi nagawa na namin yung dati.
Totoo, yeah. But let's take this opportunity na to thank the cast. I want to say thank you kay Bong, Kyla, Ate May, and of course, Al. Kasi hindi madali yung pelikula for us. Diba? Hirap din. Pero nandiyan kayo na nakaalala sa amin. Kumbaga, kahit kami yung nasa harapan, nandun lang kayo lahat sa likod namin. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, Direk, oh my God, maraming salamat sa iyo, Direk, sa Simon, maraming salamat.
Okay, hindi ko na ma-entertain yung ibang question, but thank you sa pag-send ng question. Si Goldwyn Reviews, si Daniel ng Capex Official. Daniel, thank you. Mikey Vinyas ng Kapamilya Vines. Vines ba? Vinyas. Basta yun. Team Bahilaw ng Pep.ph. At si Albert Bryan ng Chicanes App. Sayang hindi nakapagtanong si Albert. Tapos din kay Jay ng Certified Kapamilya. Thank you for sending the questions. Okay, are you ready for the last? You're good na? Okay, so at this point, we'd like to hear from the cast and the creators. This is the moment where you thank them. Uy, please stay ha, may raffle tayo. Gusto mo pala raffle sa press ko? Charot. Okay, our two writers, Ms. Buka and Ms. Tal, please thank them and invite, okay, this is the part where we officially invite them to pasukin ang sinihan sa August 14.
So maraming salamat po for tonight and for letting us share yung kwento and our stories while making this film. It's a very beautiful film na labored with love talaga and hard work, especially led by Direk Peterson Vargas, diba? Sa lahat ng buo talaga, ang sobrang binigay ng lahat ng gumawa nito, yung best nila for this film. So we really hope that you watch the film and happy for you on August 14, 2024. So kita-kits sa cinemas.
Okay, Ms. Kukay.
Sige po, I just want to thank everyone for being here, for supporting the film. I also want to thank Viva for joining us in this project. Ayun po, I hope when you watch the movie, please spread the word. Yes, we know that Joshua and Julia is starring in this movie, but there's a whole lot more about Juancho and Zai's story. and everyone na nakapaligid po sa kanila. Again, this is directed by Peter Sen Vargas. So please supportahan niyo po August 14, 2024. Thank you.
Actually, trivia, this is the first official Star Cinema movie na airing this
For this
year.
year, yes.
Tapos tuloy-tuloy na
Star
tayo,
Cinema and
malinis
Viva.
na tayo, di ba?
Yes.
Thank you for the partnership. Viva Films, thank you. Which is, as we all know, being ang nag-manage kay Julia.
I'm a fan of this movie kasi abang sinushoot namin siya, namamahalang ako. So, ayan, thank you din sa lahat ng cast, sa lahat ng tao behind the camera. Thank you so much. Thank you sa opportunity na to. Thank you, Direk. Thank you, Joshua. Thank you, everyone. Thank you!
Mr. Alam mo bang may writing talent si Aljon? Back in school, bago siya nag-showbiz, he used to join journalism competition. Nanalo siya, nag-national level yan.
Mas pa-revise namin.
Oo, pa-revise.
Natin to.
That's how talented he is. Tawan naman ito si Joshua. Ayan. At syempre, the queen, the PETA queen. Ako, PETA queen! Huwag naman baka. Pero syempre, we're happy seeing you today, Miss Mean Espinosa.
Thank you also. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo. Excited din po kami mapanood niyo siya dahil kompleto Ricardos po talaga ang pelikulang ito. May tamis, may pait, may asim, may alat, may anghang. So, and it's beautifully shot. So, sana po mapanood nyo. August 14 na po, I'm happy for you.
Alright, thank you, Miss Mean. Bong!
Yes, I would like to take this opportunity. Wow, English. Hindi, syempre magpapasalamat po ako sa inyo lahat sa pagpunta dito sa birthday ko. Charis! Thank you po.
Kasi ang tablecloth, nilalagay sa table yan, hindi sinusuot.
Para lang may masuot ako. Hindi, magpapasalamat po ako kay Direk P, tsaka kay Sir Miko na nagtiwala sa akin. And Tita Lulu, thank you po na you gave me this opportunity to be part of this movie. And magpapasalamat din po ako sa Doctor's Drip and my dentist para maging pantay po ang pagandahan ko sa kay Ate Julia para maging magmukha ko kapatid. Yes, thank you po sa inyo. And sabay-sabay po tayo malungkot, tumawa, mag-relapse sa August 14 ng Happy for You in cinemas August 14. Thank you so much!
Thank you, Bong. And of course, Kyla.
Ang hirap mo sundan.
I know. Tinaas niya na yung bar ng level ng...
Level, of course, Derek Peterson, thank you so much. Sir Miko and
Correct.
everybody
Hi, Miko.
at
How
Star
are you?
Cinema for making me a part of this beautiful movie. And everybody already said it, pero sana po mapanood ninyo sa cinemas. I'm happy for you on August 14. So thank you so much, of course, to the press for being here. And sana makita din namin kayo ulit. Sana sa premiere night na. Makita na namin kayo doon.
Do we have one?
Thank you everybody so
Premiere night
much
tayo?
for being here and for supporting. I'm happy for you. And we'll see you guys soon.
Can we officially announce that we have a world premiere on August 30?
Inassume ko lang po yung premiere.
Pero meron pala.
Hindi rin po ako sure talaga.
Yes,
pero
mo.
inassume ko na lang po. So, naroon naman po. Okay, thank you very much.
Ang galing yung manguhula. Hindi ka lang pala mahusay, manguhula ka din. At syempre, nabibilang mo ba man sa lapit mo, Derek? Peterson Vargas.
Ayun, I always take time to thank ABS-CBN Films, to my mentors there, from sila Inang to sila Sir Chris, and of course to my manager, si Sir Miko.
Rise ka pala!
Pushing and supporting me, kahit ako palagi, they will say, I can do it. And paniniwalaan ko na sila. So this is my third film, but I just want to stress how much I love this story. I always tell my writers who beautifully crafted this beautiful story na this film felt very personal to me. And I feel like if people watch it in the theaters, it will feel personal to them. And I love this cast. They're really beautifully handpicked. We love the energy. And of course, it is my honor and privilege to have worked with you guys. I watched your first film and up to halos lahat ng projects nyo. I was a supporter first because I saw the magic in the Josh Lia tandem. And what what a way to finally be your director. So thank you for the experience. It was very beautiful. And I feel like the audience will see how beautiful our journey was. So thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
And of course,
okay, ako na muna.
Anyway, guys,
Ako naman.
ikaw na last. Guys, thank you so much for joining us tonight. Parang kinamahan niyo naman yung so, pero nainitan kami ng konti sa totoo lang. But thank you for joining us. Sana, tama si guys, sana magkita-kita tayo sa August 13. But before that, please help us spread the word. Tell your family, your friends about the film. Help us spread the word about our trailer that's gonna be released tonight, if not already released. Na-release na, sige, mag-thank yous na rin ako. Ate Man, oh my goodness, thank you so much, Bong, Kai, Aljon, Biangs, Tal, Cooks, Direk, sobrang thank you, grabe. Hindi ka talaga nag-give up sa amin. You really pushed us, you really brought the best out sa amin. You really brought the best out of the two of us. And talagang challenge and stretch mo kami to make sure that we offer something different in this movie. Hindi pa namin nasasabi to kasi hindi pa natin last day. Pero, Direk, thank you talaga sobra sa patience and sa inyo. Kasi nga, as Josh said, sobrang ko sa script kasi gusto ko talagang maalagaan yung story namin lahat. Hindi mabubuhay yung pelikula kung wala yung buong cast namin. So everybody here today, plus Kuya Ketchup and Tito Noni, sila Miss Anna, who plays my mom here, sila talaga, my God, si Tatay Sweet, sila talaga yung kumumpleto ng pelikula na to. Hindi namin magagawa to nung wala kayong lahat. So thank you so much. Josh, oh my gosh, super thank you. Grabe, ang overwhelming ng experience ng pinagdadaan na natin ngayon. But I'm so happy to be sharing this with you. Okay, thanks guys.
Thank you. Ayun, thank you po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat ulit sa pagbibigay ng oras at sana tulungan niyo kami na ipakalat ang balita na showing na ang Happy for You ngayong August 14. And papasalamat din kami sa mga supporters namin. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. And of course, thank you. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you very much. Alright.
Okay, thank you rin sa mga anditong part ng team na to, Star Magic, mga handlers and managers, Rise Artist Studio, the management of Kyla, which is Star Magic din, at saka Marcator, and ayan. And everyone andito, talagang everyone stayed. Okay, we'd like to request everyone to please stand up for the group photo. But sige na, while you are standing up, I'd like to thank our sponsors for today, GAOC. That's GAOC, Dr. Alvin Rejuvenating Stat Advanced, Ligo, Minola Premium Coconut Oil, healthy to ha, sobrang healthy to. Rebisco, Tanduay, Sprite, Copico, Efficacent Oil, and Miracle White. Thank you for the loot bag. We prepared special loot bags for everyone. Okay, ayan, group photo na.